Boolean is a data type that stores two possible values, true and false. We encountered Booleans in this tutorial when performing comparisons on numbers. For example, let result equals 5 greater than 3, and let's add result to watched, and the result is true. Booleans will be especially useful later when we learn about control flow in programming. For now, let's get familiar with logical operators. It's important to know these three logical operators and how they work: or, and, not. The AND operator returns true only if both operands are true. Otherwise, it returns false. For example, true and false is false. True and true is true. False and false is false. For the AND operator, the results are as follows. True and true is true. True and false is false. And false is also false. Next up, we have the OR operator. The OR operator returns true if at least one of the operands is true. Otherwise, it returns false. For example, true or false is true. So, the results are as follows. True or true is true. True or false is also true. False or false is false. Of course, there can be more than two operands in the expression. For example, false or true and false is false. The AND operator has higher precedence than the OR operator, so true and false is evaluated first, resulting in false or false, and the result is false. Now, let's take a look at the NOT operator. The NOT operator inverts the value of the Boolean. For example, not true is false, and not false is true. In JavaScript, all types of values can be converted to Boolean by using the double negation operator. Let's take a look. Double negation of 5 is true. In JavaScript, 5 is considered a Truthy value. Here are examples of falsy values. So double negation 0 is false. Double negation of an empty string is also false. Double negation of null is false. Undefined is falsy. And not a number is also falsy. All other values are considered truthy. So for example, double negation hello is true. It will be useful to remember the falsy values. So here is the list of falsy values again. False, 0, empty string, null, undefined, and not a number.